Alright, so this is SB19 Dance Craze Challenge. This was 6 years ago. God damn, alright. Lakas ah. Sino to?
Hey everyone! I'm here again with SB19 and I have Josh right here.
Yes.
Siya ang unang sasayaw ng ating dance challenge.
Ito yung mga panahon na hindi pa uso yung clip mic. O yung lapel.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Bet choosy.
Don't stop.
So, Josh, familiar ka naman sa mga sikat na dance craze dati dito sa
Kala mo nasa CR sila nagsushoot eh. Walang mic!
Philippines.
Yun nga po problema, hindi eh.
So, pag hindi, lagyan mo na lang ng sarili mong dress, okay?
I'll try my best.
She's pretty.
Yan na po.
At sino?
Ano tawa yan? Yung tawa ni Josh Tony Gonzaga, ano ba yan? Gusto ko yung discovering P-pop tayo, tapos napunta tayo dito sa bagay. Dance challenge naman siya, hindi naman siya vlog. Buti na lang.
Pag hindi, lagyan mo na lang ng sarili mong dress, okay?
I'll try my best.
Ready?
Yan na po.
At sino?
Yan o, itong tawa na to. Tony Gonzaga yan eh.
Yeah. Oh!
Ocho, ocho.
Ocho. Let's get it.
Alam mo naman yung first.
Hoy! Ay! Eh!
So, hi, Sergio. Ano tingin mo ang hubungan ko?
Tayo, malalaman nung lumang-luma yung video pag Sejun pa to. I like natin. This is a good, ano man, good nostalgic video. Sejun!
Siguro, it's either cha-cha or spaghetti, ganyan.
Spaghetti song. Sex bomb ka ba? Sex bomb.
Idol ko po sila dati.
Na,
Sabi yung mabulot mo kung
na-predict mo, may concert sila.
Madali lang. Chocolate.
Chocolate. Na-catch off guard ako. Ano yung mukha ni Pablo? Akala mo, ngayon lang pinalabas ng bahay ng ano eh. Tuwang-tuwa eh. Oh? Pau, tsokolate, hindi deodorant. Ano ba yun? Alam mo, shoutout sa mga magulang ni Pablo. Alam kong maka-Diyos yung siyang pinalaki, pero kung sino man po ang nagturo sa kanya ng sayaw, pagpalain kayo. Oh my God.
Justin, okay ka lang.
I love you, Pao, pero isa yung sa pinakawalang silbi na. Never in my entire existence na ganun yung magiging sayaw sa tsokolate, Pao. I'm sorry. Siguro pag maitim yung kilikili mo, sa bagay. Oh, ganun. Ang talino talaga. Yung pala yun. Sorry, Pao, pinagdudahan ko ang pagiging genius mo. Kasi kapag ka maitim yung kilikili, sa bagay, mukhang tsokolate. Iba. Iba yung mindset ni Pablo talaga. One step ahead.
Let's go.
Kaya bang tapatan yung 8-8 ni Josh?
Actually, sayang. Gusto ko sana yung audio.
Gusto mo yung 8-8? Pero tingnan natin
Ano, wait lang. Sakit ng tenga ko. Grabe. What the fuck? Ang sikip naman ito. Oh my God. Kaya pala naka-earphones lang si Chuck. Oh. No, I love it. I love Pamela One, man.
Freestyle. Kaya mo yan.
Hey! Sumakit ang ulo. Hey! Justin! Si Justin, pambato ko. Si Justin. Damn, Ken looks good and young, man.
Dalawa na lang. Tingin mo ano yung natitirang dalawa dito.
Spaghetti. Pesa. Makarena? Parang
Parang mahilig yan sa spaghetti song, guys, ha?
Paborito ko sa explore ng bata pa ako eh.
Same! Kaya pala matangkad tayo, Ken, ha? Ayos, alam ko na sikreto mo.
Oo!
Ano yun?
Sa lugar namin to.
Ay, yan. Pakita mo. Budots.
Ay, bagay talaga sa'yo. Bisaya ka. Hey! Bruh. We got a winner, man. Nobody can top that. That's amazing. Budot's movement right there.
Ano to?
Papel.
Ano yung... I'm out. Ano tingin mo yung song?
Siguro spaghetti or macaron. Macarena.
Macaroni?
Macaroni.
Alam mo, Stel, gutom yan. Gutom yan talaga. It's either spaghetti or macaroni, di ba? Oh my God, bro.
Gusto ko mga spaghetti. Sige, tignan.
May spaghetti. Oh, sabi na eh, spaghetti song. Spaghetti.
Kaya.
Bomb sex, bomb sex, bomb.
Memorize niya ata.
Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa at pataas.
Wala, ang galing lahat.
Kinig kayo!
Tinapos.
Kamusta ang 8-8 natin?
Ayun po, hindi maganda.
Kaya pa yun naman. Itong next round natin, international songs.
Chill. Maging mabait po kayo sa akin.
Ay! Ay!
Switch it up. Let's get it.
Uy, Blackpink.
Let's kill this love. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ram pa 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 pa. Let's kill this love. Ram pa 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 pa.
Ano mo sabi mo sa kanila?
Natry ko yung best ko para maging bagong tsokolate na.
Kakita ko lang sa top 10 best P-pop performance ng top Mojo. G, Master Teya. Thank you so much for that. We're gonna do that after this.
Crying my tears, tears, 3 good years, tears, can't be mad at me. 'Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see that he want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a
Kamusta ang paglalakad natin?
Hindi pa ako sigurado doon.
Tama naman natin.
Tama.
Ito, bawi ka dito.
Grabe yung tinginan mo, ate girl, kay Ja, ah.
Ay, yung diba?
Nobody, nobody.
Nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. 나를 사랑하기 싫어.
Pagbigyan niya si Pao.
싫어. I want nobody, 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 nobody. I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you.
Wala. Formal na bata si Ja. Si Ja lang yung formal.
Mabunot dito. Tingnan natin kung meron.
Harlem Shake. Harlem Shake.
Ay, yes! Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
Ano to sa'yo, Indra?
Ganun.
Gangnam Style.
Ayaw pala, mali pala.
Gangnam Style. Op, op,
Di ba ganun?
oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 oppan Gangnam Style.
Eh.
Op, 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 oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Op, 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 op. 정수.
Kamusta ang
Ah,
spaghetti?
ma.
Nabomba mo ba? Bomba. Eh, bombahin mo rin dito sa last one.
Galing bumabalis na.
Hey, hey, teach me how to dunk.
Bright when it started blooming, this beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to duck. Taste me how to duck.
Yay!
Taste me how to duck.
Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Taste me how to duck. Taste me how to duck.
Damn!
Taste me how to duck.
Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
Get in the zone, break. This has been SB19. Thank you so much.
Ay, bonus clip. Si Pablo to. Ah, hindi pala.
right now. We finna get lit. Hey,
Nene ba to?
hey, hey. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them phone now, stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop. Then you hit that Molly Bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them phone now, stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop. Then you hit that Molly Bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them phone now, stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop. Then you hit that Molly Bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folks now, stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop. Then you hit that Molly Bob with it. Step to the right now, step to the left. Slide to the right now, slide to the left. Go grab your friend, make sure you got browns. Get down, walk. Hey, don't even stop. Okay, pop, lock, don't.
Wala talaga akong magawa kay Pablo na nakaga sa dulo ba naman, Pau? Ay, ako. So that was SB19 Dance Craze Challenge. Literally crazy. Pablo is the winner, man. He's crazy.